How to find hidden text messages on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find hidden text messages on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First thing, you'll want to go to your settings. After that, scroll down till you find messages. If you don't find it here, go to your apps section and search for messages, and there it is. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down all the way, and there you will see messages filtering, and under there you will see filter unknown senders. Now turn this on. After you turn that on, you can go back to your home screen and open up your messages. Now after you open your messages, on the top left you will see filters section. Tap on filters, and there you will see unknown senders. Tap on unknown senders, and here you will be able to find hidden text messages on your iPhone. So that is basically it guys. That is how you find hidden text messages. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and